Using a debit card overseas can be a convenient and secure way to pay for goods and services while abroad. To get started, inform your bank of your travel plans, including the countries you will be visiting and the dates of your trip. This will help prevent your debit card from being flagged for suspicious activity. Next, check if your debit card has foreign transaction fees, which can range from 1 to 3% of each transaction. Consider using a debit card with no foreign transaction fees to save money. Additionally, find out if your debit card has a daily spending limit and if it can be increased temporarily. When making a purchase or withdrawing cash overseas, you will typically be given the option to pay in the local currency or your home currency. Always choose to pay in the local currency, as this will give you a more favorable exchange rate. Be aware of any additional fees associated with using an ATM, such as a flat fee or a percentage of the withdrawal amount. To minimize the risk of your debit card being lost, stolen, or compromised, make a copy of your debit card and leave it with a trusted friend or family member. Keep your debit card and PIN separate, and avoid using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account information. When using your debit card at an ATM, cover the keypad with your hand to prevent your PIN from being captured by a hidden camera. Check your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions, and report them to your bank immediately. Finally, have a backup plan in case your debit card is lost, stolen, or declined. Consider bringing a secondary debit card or credit card, and have the contact information for your bank's customer service department readily available. By following these steps and being mindful of the potential fees and risks, you can use your debit card overseas with confidence and enjoy a hassle-free trip.